So here we have a function, they're calling it g, and they also tell you this is the entire graph of g. So there's no secret parts they're not showing you, this is the whole graph. And then they want us to tell them what's the domain and what's the range. Well, think domain is all the inputs, all the x values. So what x values does this cover? One nice thing about this is what's called continuous. You can draw it from here to here without picking up your pencil. So we know it hits all the points in between. So we want to say, well, what's the smallest x and what's the biggest x? So for this, notice we're just focusing on the x. So it looks like here at 1, 2, 3, 4, this one goes to about -5. And then here at 1, 2, 3, 4. So as far as x is concerned, this function covers all of this. It doesn't matter what happens with the height in there. We can see that we can put in values from -5 to 4. Also notice this is a closed point, so it can include -5 with a bracket and up to 4 with a parenthesis. All right, now we want to see about the range, which means the outputs or the y values. So it doesn't matter if it's squiggly in between here, we just want to see what's the lowest y that it reaches, which appears to be -3 down here, and what's the highest y that it reaches, appears to be +3 up here. And so it looks like as far as y is concerned, it covers everything between -3 and 3. So it doesn't matter if it covers it by going fast or slow or squiggling all over the place, it just reaches somehow all the points in between here. And so the lowest y value is -3, and that one's included because it's a closed circle, up to 3. So there's the domain and range in interval notation. What x's does this cover and what y's does it cover?